back to another video of Dudes with Toys. We're so damn excited right now because we're still Dudes with Toys, but there's no way we're gonna review any toy because we're going to Nowhere Home. Yes! Come on, let's go. Here are the tickets, and I'm so damn sleepy right now because there's no proper sleep last night because we're way too excited. And our directors at the back are having some discussion, chit chats. Even they're excited to see the movie as well. So, guys, we have a lot of stuff planned. You guys are also gonna watch the movie with us. This journey is gonna come all along. It's a fun video planned. Let's go. We meet you in a bit. Come on, let's go.
Yes, I'm really excited.
We're so excited right now.
Okay, where are you headed? Do you want to tell us where you're headed?
To the theatre.
We are going
And
to No Way
what-
Home.
We're gonna No Way Home.
So you guys are Marvel
Let's
fans,
go.
is it?
Huh?
You guys are Marvel fans?
I am a die-hard Marvel fan. This guy slept in some movies, but
Yeah.
still.
What?
Yeah.
Which movie?
He gets too bored sometimes. He Avengers. What is that? Infinity
You
War.
slept in
Infinity
Avengers. Wow.
He slept in Infinity
You're a
War.
legend, dude. You're a legend.
That is why. But I'm a die-hard Marvel fan. I'm gonna enjoy Tom Holland's acting. And
Who's your favorite Marvel hero? Superhero?
superhero, it's gotta be Iron Man, but I love Spider-Man, Tom Holland especially.
Yeah.
Let's go!
What about you?
I love Iron Man and my favorite is Batman. Really. Batman.
But he is DC.
Some DC dude.
It's okay.
It's okay.
He's just a
He's a
superhero.
superhero.
Yeah, cool. Let's go then. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So guys, we're headed to the theater right now. We're so damn excited.
yes.
But Sachin, apart from being excited, is also a sleepy head. Whenever he heads down to theater and he finds it a little boring, he starts sleeping.
Bro,
That's what he did.
Infinity War, I
Yeah,
said.
that's what he
Because
did
I was
in
10
Infinity.
years old. I did not know anything about Avengers.
It was in 2018, 29. Yeah, he was 10 years old. So Sachin, try not to sleep. But I also ensure you that Spider-Man No Way Home is never gonna be boring. It's gonna be as exciting as it gets. Okay, Sachin, while we are headed to the theater right now, I'll ask you a few, basic questions about Marvel Cinematic Universe. Let's see how many you get right. The first question:
Yeah.
who played the role Iron Man? His real life name.
It's really easy.
You answer me.
It's Robert Downey Jr.
Yes, it's Robert Downey
So
Jr.
easy.
He got one right. And the second one is, how many people played Spider-Man? There are 3 people who played Spider-Man over the
Yes.
years. Who are they?
It's
It's
Toby
Toby,
and
Tobey Maguire, and
Andrew
Garfield.
and Tom.
Tom Holland. Sachin got one more right. Let's go. At least you have the basic qualification to watch Spider-Man No Way Home right now. And there's one more person apart from Peter Parker who played Spider-Man. If you guys know, please do comment us and also like the video.
And
And
also don't forget to
subscribe to Dudes with Toys. Also DM us the answer. We'll put it on our Instagram posts and stories as well. So if you know the answer, I agree you are a true Marvel and a Spider-Man fan. So guys, stay tuned. There's a lot more to come. We'll see you in the theater. And we'll also capture some bits if we find some time here and there. Okay. Finally in the lobby right now. It's so, you can hear All Okay song going around. It's a Kannada song. I like this song very much. We're having a lot of fun and
Yes.
No Way Home.
Yes.
Holland are coming for you, dude. Let's go. I'm so damn excited. Oh my god. It's, my heart is starting to beat damn fast. And Sachin, hope not to sleep.
I won't.
My heart is beating so damn fast right now. Oh my god.
I'm so excited. How will I sleep?
Yeah, I'm so damn excited. My heart You can never. It's never been this fast. You know, it's going so fast. Okay, guys, let's go now. I think we'll have to move inside the theater. We'll meet you in a bit. Come on, let's go. Bye. See you there. Peace. Our last clip before we watch Spider-Man, and as you can see, a red t-shirt and a blue shirt there. Those are our directors waiting for the 2 extra tickets there. They actually had bought tickets, but you know, it got cancelled eventually, so they're now waiting frustrated. So that is why we've got our selfie cameras on and shooting. Song is still vibing me. Let's go. It's good for the vibe. You can see there's housekeeping in progress now. 9 minutes 55 seconds left. Show starts at 12:10. We're so excited. We're so damn excited. We're so excited. Let's go. What is the written here? Welcome back. Please announce your seat number to usher for contactless guidance. Okay, we understood. What? It is 9 minutes 55 seconds. I don't know. See you now. Bye bye. Peace. You can see my shadow, right? Spider-Man. Spider-man. We're damn excited right now. We're in the theater right now. Oh my god. I just can't wait. What is us? Geo. What is us? See, the directors are here.
It's there in the thing, in your ticket.
Okay guys, meet you in a bit. Sitting right now, we're so damn excited.
Our
The
view
movie.
is so good,
Yeah,
guys.
our views, you can just see it here. It's just straight.
We are in the middle of the theater.
Yeah, it's so good, and oh my god, the ads have started. The ads have started. I hope you can hear me. The ads have started. Meet you in a bit. We'll show you all the reactions of the audience as well as some clips, not main clips, and people. I just want to say you one thing. If you can hear me, don't record clips while you're vlogging and spoil it for others. Okay, keep some. It'll tempt us. It'll spoil it for us. So please make sure that you don't record any clips. You can just click photos and not main photos. Just the movie's name or the Marvel Studios, like that. Okay? Make sure you keep it like that. Not recording clips and stuff. Okay? See you in a bit.
No one can hear.
I know. I'm just talking. Okay, guys. If you heard me, listen to what I say and don't spoil it for others.
Bye.
Bye. See you in a bit. Just had a national anthem. It's been a long time coming to movies and standing up for the national anthem. It was kind of proud. My country, my rights. It is so good. My country. I'm very proud of my country. And guys, I'm damn excited. My heart is literally pumping right now. Ads still going on. Okay, we'll see you in a bit when the movie starts. I'll take not a clip, but a photo of the Marvel or the Spider-Man. Okay. Oh my God, guys, it's starting now.
It's starting, guys. Yes.
We're pumped up. Let's go. Let's go. The most.
Peter.
What's he doing?
I don't know. It looks like he's charging.
I don't like this. Just web him.
Just done with the first half. Oh my God.
It was so fun.
This
and
is the movie. If
Yes.
Marvel Cinematic Universe had to release a movie the best after Endgame, this is the movie, dude. So much fun, so much unexpected things are gonna happen, dude. Unexpected. I literally cried after the first half. It was so good. It was
before
so
the interval.
It was so
It was so
good, dude. Oh
emotional.
my God. You guys have to definitely watch it. This is a movie worth watching in the theater. Just the first half done. The second half still remains. I hope more exciting things are here to come. I'm not as excited I was in the starting.
If anyone
because
comes, everyone were shouting.
Yeah.
It was too loud.
Yeah, so I am not excited as I am in the first half because I've become too emotional after the first half. I have mixed feelings. I'm happy.
The starting of the movie, it was so much fun.
I'm happy, but
And
I'm
then
also
the end.
sad, guys, because unexpected things are gonna happen in this movie. Okay, So see you guys in the theater. We're gonna buy some popcorn and let's see you guys in the theater.
Yes.
Bye.
Who the hell are you? I'm Peter Parker. I'm Spider-Man. In my world.
So guys, we're done with watching the movie.
Yes.
I literally have no words, dude. Oh my god, it was
I almost cried.
it gives you mixed feelings actually watching this movie, you know. You just don't have words to
Yeah.
explain it, and you definitely, you guys have to watch it. It's a movie worth watching in the theater. So yeah, and we'll get back to you and we'll tell you how was our movie experience when we get back to the studio. Let us take our you know oh, we're tired. I mean, mixed feelings. I cried, I laughed, I had a lot of feelings.
Yes.
Unexplainable movie. You have to definitely watch it. It's a movie worth watching in the theater, guys. I'm really telling this again and again. What a movie. They killed it. MCU killed it. Okay, MCU killed it. They're the best. Oh my god, what a movie, dude. We have so much mixed
Yes.
feelings. I don't know what to speak about the movie. You know, there's laughter, there's crying, there's madness, everything.
Everything.
Dude. Everything.
Yeah.
One movie that showed everything that possibly can. MCU, you are the
Yes.
best, dude. If it comes to movies, I love nothing else than MCU. You killed No Way Home. You killed it. Absolutely killed it. And the end credits was the best. It could never get any better, dude. Never get any better.
Yes.
We had so much fun today. I cried out so much in the end. You know.
I too
Oh.
loved the movie, guys.
Oh
It
my
was
God.
epic.
What
Literally
a movie.
epic.
Literally epic. You know, after Endgame, this is the best movie I've ever watched.
Yes.
Of course, Endgame. It's
After Endgame,
yeah.
only this
Yeah,
movie.
it's untouchable. Endgame, obviously, it's untouchable. But this movie has set the bar so high for any other MCU movie which will come up
Yes.
next. It has set the bar so high. It is too difficult to beat it. Oh my God! The revenue is gonna generate so much for this movie. You know, I have no problem watching it twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. I have no problem watching it
Unlimited
again.
times we can watch
Yeah,
it.
if it comes over TV,
Yeah.
I'll be the front audience. Like, I'll sit on my sofa like this. Yeah, it's me. I'm gonna watch the entire movie over and over and over again. It's so mind blowing.
Yes, guys.
You know, as a die-hard MCU fan, you impressed me as much as you can ever. It is so much fun. You know how it's just coming out of me. I'm not speaking. It's just coming out of the emotions are just coming out of me. That's so much fun. And guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This was our No Way Home vlog.
Yes.
And if you loved today's video, don't forget to smash down a huge like button.
And also don't forget to subscribe to
Dudes with Toys. I am Jagat.
And I'm Sachin.
Until next time, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.